In this video, we're looking at a lens that many will just write off as a complete and utter toy, and for around £60, and looking at it, you might think, fair enough. In fact, I'm shooting this intro with the lens that was in this box, which is why I'm so far away, which I know doesn't normally happen, and for good reason. And of course, if I walk in like this, the focus will not change, so I can't get much closer, but this is a gritty little scene anyway, I suppose. So let's get this open in much better light, take a look at it, see what's up with it, get some random shots on the go, and see if we can squeeze the juice out of this little thing. It comes in this nice little plastic case. We'll flip that out, and the 7Artisans baggie that we've come to expect, and there's the lens itself, which is actually smaller than the lens cap to give you an idea if you haven't seen this in person just yet. We're getting a 27mm full frame equivalent, a fixed 6.3 aperture, 4 groups in 6 elements, 35cm minimum focus distance. Apparently, we'll see about that. It is all metal. It weighs a whole 49 grams. So yeah, I mean, it's only £62.10 on Amazon at the time of recording. They threw in a little discount, and it does have this interesting, purely decorative clock face. Now on the box it says control the time. Yeah. So there's no controls, nothing to move, no aperture, no manual focusing, so this should be a pretty short summary, right? Well, clearly, this is not a lens for the pixel peeper, or even the pro for that matter. Arguably, it's not even for most amateur photographers, let alone full-on hybrid shooters, but in all honesty, it's not a complete waste of time at all. You can just put it on, set auto ISO if you want, and just play. But of course, it's not going to be forgiven on rough days, such as what happened for me for some of these samples. But on the other hand, I think it works very nicely for those moody, gritty images. And it kind of took me back to some of the documentary work I did when I was studying photography. Yes, you get vignetting. It's definitely not ideal for flaring, but it's fairly honest with the colors, and the sharpness is very decent if you get enough distance away. So you're looking at around 2 meters or so, and you're generally good to go. I don't really want to go wild analyzing the image quality. I got shots that I'm happy with, and it could be a fun little option for a street shooter that doesn't need to get close to the subject. Just don't get zooming in too much on that image afterwards. This could be a good little fun choice for somebody who wants a change of pace but doesn't want to spend too much. Maybe throw it on an XE1 or XE2, something like that, and have fun. Clearly using it on the T-bodies as I did, it just feels like you're shooting with just a cap on the body. So a little discreet body like the E range might be perfect for a little lens like this. And that's about it. Around £60, and you can still get some pretty usable shots in the right circumstances. I definitely don't care for that clock face. I think it would be even more discreet if it was all black, and basically for this price you might as well sort that out yourself if you want it to be extra inconspicuous. It's not a huge deal really. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried this lens or indeed any other body cap lenses and what you found them useful for. Make sure to subscribe, take it easy, and I'll see you soon.